The state yesterday removed 13 ZANU PF supporters accused of killing Citizens Coalition for Change (CCC) activist Tinashe Chitsunge from remand after the defense made an application for refusal of further remand. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. The matter was heard by Harare Magistrate Simon Kandiero. The accused, through their lawyer Stephen Chikotora, argued that the state failed to bring any witness since the matter was brought to court. The defense submitted that the state could summon the accused persons when it is ready to proceed with trial. The accused were charged with public violence, which led to the death of Chitsunge. According to court papers, on August 3, 2023, the accused were playing soccer at Chimunu grounds in Glenview, high-density suburb, fully aware that CCC had booked the same venue for a rally. The court heard that when police tried to disperse the accused persons, they threw stones at the law enforcement officers. The situation got intense after CCC members arrived for the rally before the two groups started pelting each other with stones. Chitsunge died in the commotion after being hit with stones. This is today's news about ZANU PF supporters being removed from remand after the accused murder of CCC activist Tinashe Chitsunge. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.